So you've made some really cool artwork and now you want to share it. The first thing that you need to do is you need to take a really good photo of that work to show it off. There are a couple of good ways to go about doing this, and you don't need a fancy camera to make it happen. The first thing that you really need to do is find good natural lighting. That's going to be your best bet. Find a nice large window or go outside. Once you've done that, lay your artwork on a flat surface and try to get right above it. I'll show you how. Now that you found the spot that you're going to take your photo, lay your artwork onto the flat surface near your window light. Try to make sure that you hold your tablet or your camera directly above your artwork. It's okay if a little bit of the edge of the table or floor shows. You can crop that out later. The main thing that you want to remember is you want to line up the edges of your photo or artwork to the edges of the frame of the camera. If it looks tipped and crooked and you're holding the camera like this, it's going to have distortion. I'll show you that here. As you can see, if my phone is tipped, the edges of the artwork are skewed and not straight compared to the edge of the frame. By changing the position of your phone or tablet and lining it up with the edge of the frame itself, you're going to get a more accurate depiction of your image. You can zoom in tighter or just crop out the edges later. Oftentimes your photos are still going to look a little too dark, so brightening it up just a little bit to make the whites of your paper actually look white is okay. Another way to show off your artwork is to have someone else take a photo of you with your artwork. If you want to do that, just make sure that that natural window light is falling directly on your face and your artwork, meaning have the person stand in front of the window and then you stand in front of the camera. This is going to allow the best lighting for your camera and your face. Hold the artwork directly in front of the camera as flat as you can and ask your photographer to make sure that there's no glare on your artwork. And don't forget to smile. Another way that you could take a photo of your artwork is you could just tape it to the wall or use magnets on your refrigerator. And lastly, if your artwork is an odd shape, maybe it's not a rectangle, perhaps you painted a skateboard deck and you want to show that off. Find a neutral surface, like a wooden table, floor, or lay out a white sheet. Again, make sure you're near some really good natural lighting and take this shot. I hope this helps. I can't wait to see all of your submissions.